Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of sides AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. As we know that the line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of the triangle is half the third side and is parallel to it. So here FD equals to half of BC. Then similarly ED equals to half of AC and EF equals to half of AB. Now in triangle ABC and triangle EFG, we have AB as to EF equals to BC as to FD equals to AC as to ED equals to 2. Suppose this is equation number 1. So this implies triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFD. This is because SSS similarity criteria by similarity criteria. Also, we know that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the area of both triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So here we can check area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle GEF is AB upon AB upon EF its square, or AB square upon EF square. So this is equals to, we can see here, AB upon EF is 1/2. So from 1, AB upon EF equals to from 1 this is 4 from, or we can check it is, this is 2 square, okay, equals to 2 square. So from 1, now area of triangle DEF to the area of triangle ABC is, as this is 4 means this will be 1:4 inverse. Hence the ratio of the area of triangle DEF and triangle ABC is 1:4.